Right. So these are your push buttons. We know that they're alright anyway. These are neons. They're all, this end's common, and it's connected to this 160 volt line through these two resistors. You've got that comes in here, and then connected to here, like the pin on the controller chip, and through a diode to this 33 volt line. I've redrawn it, try and make it a bit clearer. Right, so this is my redrawing of it. I don't know if these necessarily are open collector. I think they probably are. Like these transistors they're not transistors on the circuit. This is like the output of the output pins of that chip. So say under normal circumstances, this is going to be off, this transistor. It's going to flow through, drop through there, and it's going to be connected to this 33 volt through this diode, because that diode's going to be forward biased, meaning that so there's not going to be enough voltage across this neon for it to come on. And then this turns on and it pulls current through there. That becomes reverse biased so that you're not shorting out this 33 volt rail. So you've basically disconnected this 33 volt, disconnected that from 33 volt and connected it to 0 volt, giving you enough voltage for it to come on. That's my interpretation at circuit. I think that's how it works. But why is a different one coming on when you're pressing that? I know they need an higher voltage to start them up than what they need to stay on. I mean, only things in circuit are like the output of the chip, the diodes, and the neons. But I don't think it's the chip, because if you look at it, what you've actually got is two chips, one doing each half. Like one does button 1 to 4 and other one does 5 to 8. Sometimes it'll be number 7 that comes on or something. So I don't think it's the chip, because you'd think it'd be limited to one half of the thing. So it's got to be either diodes or neons. So I reckon it's probably going to be neon in it. You know, it's more likely to be worn out than a diode. It could be a diode, but actually what I'll try doing, I could swap bulb from number 1 to a different position and then see if fault moves with it. And if it does, then you know, we know it's bulb, don't we? Right, this is the thing. Like the little channel selection board and the bit. This is what's behind them touch buttons. These little copper strips. So I'll turn it on and see what happens. I've swapped it, like I've swapped number 1 to number 5. So look, number 1's come on now. Yeah, see, look, 1's fine. 2, 3, 4, 5. got a bit bulb on it. Number 1's working and number 5's gone funny because I've swapped it. So I'll have to get a neon bulb to replace it. I'll get a few of them actually in case I need to replace other ones.